Hello students, I am back with another interesting topic in English, that is the time in English. So there are actually three formats of saying or expressing the time in English. The first one is the AM and the PM. The second one is the 24-hour format, that is we say the time in an hourly format. And the third one is the o'clock format, that is on clock. Like we say it's 3 o'clock, that is 3 on the clock. So today I will be discussing about the first format, that is the AM and PM. So let me describe it in a short and very minute way. The first difference between which comes to our mind is AM and PM. And what is the full form of AM and PM? So if we take the time, suppose 9 in the morning, then we can say the time as 9 AM. Now we know that 9 AM is the time which is 9 in the morning. But what does the word AM indicate? Now let me expand it for you, the full form of AM, where A stands for anti and M stands for meridian. The full form of AM is anti-meridian. The word anti-meridian is actually a Latin word. So what's the meaning of the two words anti and meridian? In English, the meaning of the word anti is before something, okay? And the meaning of the word meridian in English means noon. And what is the noon time we know? Everyone knows that 12 in the midday, that is the 12 noon, is the noon time. So the time which comes before noon time is known as anti-meridian, that is before noon. And we all know that a new day starts at night in the 12th. So from night 12 AM till 11:59 of the morning is known as anti-meridian, that is before the noon. Now similarly, if we write 9 PM, where M again stands for meridian. Now in the PM, only the word meridian is used in Latin, but the word P stands for post, which itself is an English word. Post means after, anti means before, post means after. The meaning of meridian again noon. So the time which comes after noon time, that is post the noon time, are referred to as PM. So if you take 9 PM, that means it's 9 post the noon time, or we can say 9 after the noon time. PM means post meridian. So very well aware of this knowledge, comment down below.